Hi, welcome to Vegan Cuisine with Madame Sophie. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my Pina Colada pancakes. These pancakes are so delicious, and stay tuned for that ASMR moment towards the end of this video. So in this bowl I have a cup and a half of waffle pancake mix. I use waffle mix. It's from the Krusteaz brand. And the kind I use is the waffle mix that does not have any egg in it or dairy. So I am adding in a half cup of sweetened shredded coconut to the waffle mix. And to prep, I also did one vegan egg, that is 1 flax seed to 3 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon of flax seed to 3 tablespoons of hot water. I also have 3 tablespoons of oil, vegetable oil, in this mixture, and I poured in a mixture of pineapple juice and water, and I use a third cup of pineapple juice to a third cup of water. I also have a half cup of finely chopped pineapple, and I use the pineapple from the can. I'm going to mix that up nicely just to make sure that everything is well incorporated. If you'd like to listen to the ASMR moment, please stay tuned towards the end of this video. These pancakes are so delicious, I couldn't stop eating them. So everything is well incorporated, and I'm just going to set it aside for a few minutes prior to applying it to the griddle. So this is my griddle. I did set up my griddle to a temperature between 200 to 300 degrees. It was set on 200 degrees, so it's between 200 to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. More like 250 to 300. And I got a total of 7 to 8 pancakes from this mixture. Definitely want to leave the pancakes on for some time. You want to let them stay and get golden brown. Don't flip them over until the side that's on the griddle turns golden brown. Three to 5 minutes per side. You want to leave it for about 3 to 5 minutes on one side before you flip it over. So I went on and I flipped over one, and I'm going to go on and do the rest. They are so nice and fluffy and really light, and this is why I really love this particular waffle mix. I do understand that yes, the 3 tablespoons of oil kind of makes it more on the unhealthy side, but I really love this waffle mix because every time I use it, the pancakes just come out so nice, light and fluffy, and it really makes me not miss out on eating pancakes as a vegan. It's nice and golden brown on both sides, so I believe I am ready to take these off the griddle. So there you have it. I'm going to pour over some maple syrup on my pancakes, my pina colada pancakes, and I surely can't wait to eat them. That's it for today's vegan cuisine with Madame Sophie video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Peace, love, and tasty vegan food. Bye. Now for an ASMR moment.